The main anatomical components of the conducting system of the heart. In order to ensure a constant flow of blood through the human body, the heart must continuously contract. This process is controlled by the conducting system of the heart. The conducting system is a group of atypical cardiocytes. Those heart cells differ from others in their structure and function. Watch more videos in the EasyAnatomy app. With EasyAnatomy, you can learn much easier and faster. We provide a comprehensive video library, related PDF notes, and atlas sections with engaging flashcards. Download EasyAnatomy from the link in the description. Atypical cardiomyocytes generate and conduct electrical impulses, causing normal working cardiomyocytes to contract. Let us examine the structure of the conducting system. It consists of the following structures. The sinus, sinoatrial node. It is located in the superior part of the right atrium. This structure has a property called automaticity. It is able to excite itself and pass impulses to the atria. The atrial internodular bundles. Bachmann's bundle, Terrell's bundle, Wenckebach's bundle. They are situated in the atrial myocardium. They transmit excitation from the sinoatrial node to the next node called the atrioventricular node. The atrioventricular node, or Achoff-Tawara node, is situated in the posterior-inferior part of the right atrium and in the interatrial septum. It somewhat delays the conduction of the impulse from the atria to the ventricles. The atrioventricular bundle, or bundle of His, is situated in the superior part of the interventricular septum. Then it divides into two crura. The right crus of the bundle of His and the left crus of the bundle of His. They pass along both sides of the interventricular septum and pass excitation to the ventricles. Eventually, the crura branch into small subendocardial fibers, which are called Purkinje fibers. They stimulate the ventricular myocardium. All these structures are interconnected and receive the very first impulse from the so-called pacemaker. In most cases, the sinoatrial node normally acts as a pacemaker. However, in various diseases, impulses can occur in other parts of the conducting system. Such pacemakers are called ectopic. Impulses provide rhythmic work of the heart, with a sequential contraction of the atria and the ventricles, which in general makes up the cardiac cycle. Normally the heart makes 60 to 80 contractions per minute. However, the heart rate may be slow or accelerated, and such a condition would be called arrhythmia.